like a beacon in the cold dark night. A star is born. Told you everything would turn out right. Star is born. Just when everything was all at sea, the boy made history. The bottom line, he sure could shine. His rising star is Capricorn. He knew how to. He had a clue.
Telling you a star is born.
It's a hero who can please the crowd.
A star is born.
Will everybody shout out now?
A star is born. Living in the darkest hour, within your heart the power.
For making you a hero too.
So don't lose hope when you're forlorn. Just keep your eyes upon the skies. Every night a star is rising, star is burning bright, a star is born.
It's not easy being green, having to spend each day the color of the leaves, when you could be something so much nicer, like red, a yellow, aquamarine, or something more colorful like that. It's not easy being green. It seems you blend in with all kinds of ordinary things, and people tend to pass you over, 'cause they're not standing out like flashy sparkles in the water or stars in the sky. Green's the color of spring, green can be cool and friendly like. Green can be big like a mountain, important like a river, or tall like a tree. Green is all that you can be. It sort of makes you wonder why. Why wonder, why wonder, why wonder I'm green, and that'll do just fine. Besides, it's all I wanna be. Green's the color of spring. Yeah, green is cool and friendly like. Green can be big like a mountain, important like a river, but tall like a tree. Green is all that you can be. It sort of makes you wonder why. But why wonder, why wonder I'm green? And I think it's beautiful. And besides, that's all I wanna be.